You just delivered a major project to a client. Your team worked hard on it and you thought it was a win. But the next morning, the client emails you a list of revisions because key details were missed. Now your team has to spend another 10 hours fixing those mistakes. Here's the brutal truth. You're not getting paid for those 10 hours. You were paying your team to do the work twice. In the blink of an eye, what looked like a highly profitable job just became a loss. At CH4B Central Hub for Business, we provide access to our human-powered growth ecosystem, built to help SME owners build profitable, secure, and fulfilling businesses. In our business growth blueprint, 2 of our core 12 principles are streamline operation and profit. Today, we're talking about the hidden killer of growing businesses, rework, and why delivery consistency is the only way to protect your margin. Most SME owners obsess over the top line. They want more leads and more sales. But if your operational delivery is inconsistent, pouring more sales into the business just creates more chaos and more costly mistakes. Rework happens because you lack a standardized way of doing things. If you have 5 different employees delivering your service in 5 completely different ways, mistakes are mathematically guaranteed. Your clients get a different experience depending on who they talk to, and your profit margin bleeds out in the background. If you want to protect your profit and scale safely, you must build delivery consistency. Here's a 3-step framework to stop the rework and standardize your operations today. Step 1, define the done standard. A project isn't finished just because an employee feels like it's finished. It is finished when it meets a rigid, documented standard. Create a mandatory definition of done checklist for your core service. Before any work is ever sent to a client, it must pass that checklist, no exceptions. Step 2, template the routine. Stop starting from scratch. If your team writes proposals, they should use a master template. If you run client onboarding, there should be a standardized welcome pack. If you deliver audits, use a base framework. When you remove the need to reinvent the wheel every single time, your team moves faster, the quality goes up, and you protect your margin. Step 3, track the cost of rework. You track your sales, but are you tracking the hours spent fixing mistakes? Start measuring it this week. Ask your team to log the time they spend doing revisions because of internal errors. When you put a spotlight on the actual financial cost of rework, the culture immediately shifts. People start measuring twice and cutting once. Building flawless delivery consistency is exactly what we do and implement in step 7 of our 9-step coaching process, Streamline Operations. We help you fix the operational leaks so you actually get to keep the profit you worked so hard to earn. If your business is constantly redoing work and your margins are shrinking, it's time to fix your delivery system. Ask yourself, is your business set up to grow or stuck in survival mode? Take the 3-minute growth scorecard and find out. 12 simple questions and an instant personalized growth report which pinpoints blind spots across 12 proven principles. Discover where you're leaking profit, time, or opportunity and get tailored next steps to cut costs and grow faster. Click the link in the description to take it right now. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.